Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Yalon, and in today's video I'm going to be unboxing the Chanel Duma backpack from pureroom.ru. So if you're not already subscribed to my channel, go ahead, hit the subscribe button, turn on my post notifications so you are aware of when I post, and let's get straight into it. So if you are new here, Pure Room is an online website that specializes in high quality replicas mirroring the image of the materials used in the real designer stores. So on their website they have a bunch of different designers such as Chanel, Louis Vuitton, Dior, Gucci, all kind of stuff. So we're going to be unboxing this Chanel backpack. So super cute. It does come with the box. So let's go ahead and look at her. Does come in a dust bag, and then it just has like these little receipts at the bottom of it. So this is in the color black. I do think they had other color options on there, and this is also the lamb skin. The bag, really gorgeous. So it does have the big front pocket, it has the regular flap, and then it is in the black and gold detailing. I do love that it has this quilted back. I think that's really cute about it. And then so let's look at the first pocket. It has pretty good space to store some stuff, and then you just close it. It's a button closure. Then you just twist this open. And it does have like this drawstring so you can make it tighter or looser. So go ahead and open that. It does have the CC on the inside. Plenty of space. The sides. Pretty simple bag, very cute for the fall, very stylish. The actual straps on the backpack part is adjustable as well, so you can have like a loose type of vibe, or you can actually tighten it up on you. The black and gold chain is cute as well. Super cute bag. I will of course have them linked down in the description box below, plus a discount code so you guys can save some money. I hope you guys all enjoyed, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.